Oh no, it sheared off, as we thought. Sheared off, as we thought. There we go. So the first job of the day is we're going to take off the exhaust and see if we can get that final broken stud out. Although there is a job far more important than that. And that is to give... I don't know if I can film this with one hand. Is to give the rabbit some gin and tonic. There you go. Okay, so the exhaust has dropped. And let's have a look under here. And there we can see the broken stud, and I'm hoping some mole grips on that, and of course change the gaskets, and I've got everything. And okay, let's remove this. So you can see here with this old gasket, you can this is focusing in, but I'm absolutely manked to buggery. Just twisting. Yeah, I'm just gripping more and more into the metal rather than getting hold of anything, aren't we? Yeah. So we're abandoning at the moment getting that stud out because, well, we can't. So Pete's going to bring a proper blowtorch next time. We'll try and heat that motherfuckery buggery out of it. See if that works. Today, Pete's been promoted to production manager. Yes. Keep getting some heat on there, Pete. Alright. Just keep that out the bay as well. I'll come out in 2 seconds. There's so much space. Come back round. Right, we go. You get in there with that one. Keep heating on that. You know there's a button. Let's do that. Keep that one on there. I'll get that one on. Right, okay. And when it wasn't doing anything, you can imagine the amount of swearing. Flip the light back on. Yeah, we did. Well, it's definitely got the stud warm, hasn't it? Sure has. nowadays that stuff in a tin.
I've been doing it like this before you.
Oh, shag me with an Italian cucumber.
You'll be able to use this to hold the exhaust back on.
I was going to say, yeah, because we don't know what's going to happen when we try putting those studs back in, yeah. The new ones. £91. Oh my God.
You need to work out what the thread is on the new studs, and I'll lend you a tap if you haven't got one, and clean all these out.
Okay. There you go.
Might you meet your pizza arrive?
I ordered in from Italy. Gotta get this one.
Ta-da!
No!
There you go.
Oh my flipping God. First time I smelled it, we've got the edges at this point.
Who's the favourite?
Is it hot?
Yeah, that's
Look at that.
Is that yours as well?
Yeah.
That's a work of art, that is.
He did a bloody good job on that, didn't he?
Nipple piercing, yeah.
Ooh.
Look at that.
That's a Prince Albert, that is.
I think it looks straight.
There we go.
Very
Better, isn't it?
slight. It's good. I'd say that was good enough. Shows your nuts. Would you like some welding on those nuts? That's pretty good. Does that look alright to you?
It's getting there, isn't it?
Just like blades.
They are a blob.
A blob.
Is it Mr. Blobby?
Mr. Blobby.
Mr. Blobby.
Never be able to lift the front wheel off the ground.
Well, that might do him a favour.
Hey, touch that. Put your finger on that.
I'll put my tea in it. I need to warm my tea.